This is how you create a presentation in Canva. So right now I'm over on canva.com. I have a pro account. You can use the free account. Pro account is much better in terms of the resources. I go to presentations here. So once you log in, you'll get the dashboard with all your graphics. You'll want to either go presentation here or up here in the top. If you want to see a bunch of different templates, as you can see, there's a talking presentation, mobile first presentation, general presentation at a 4:3, brainstorm presentation, and just basic presentation. Ultimately, you can go in and really edit a lot of these outside of the mobile first presentation being a bit different. So if I go here to presentation, once you open it up, the good thing about Canva is it gives you plenty of templates. So if you want to go here, and let's say I work in finance, I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna see all the finance things over here on templates on the left. I select and choose which one I want. So let's say I want to pick this one. It tells me it's one of 21. So it comes with 21 slides. I can just isolate one slide and use this, or I can apply all 21, and now I have a template for the full presentation. I can go here, edit the language. I can swap out colors. If I click on the background, I can swap out the color if I want. I can swap out images. If I go on the left-hand side, click on elements. Elements is where you really get all the images that you want. Okay, so if I say I want a clock, it'll give me all these images for clocks. I just click on it, the image pops up. I can click on something and then hit delete on my keyboard to remove it. Okay, so yeah, once you do all this, you can pretty much go. So once you look in the bottom here, you can go from slide to slide, editing each slide. You can also add in transitions. Up in the top, you see this timing piece here. You can edit this and then animate here. Okay, we can add animations for things to enter the page. And the timing helps if you want this thing to run by itself. It'll switch through these slides based off of this timing piece, okay, and what you set it at. Once you're done, if you want to save this as a PDF, you can. If you want to save it as a Microsoft PowerPoint, you can do that as well. Or you can present and record, okay? Or you can show and just present it this way. Okay, you can have it autoplay. That's where the timing comes into play. Standard is just gonna open it up and be standard. Okay, just like this. And presenter view will actually give you this lovely background view. So this is what the audience can see here. So you can put this on a different screen. And then you have this separate window here. We can add in notes and all that stuff on your end. Okay. And then you can also go live here as well. So that way folks can come in here and actually start asking questions and things inside of Canva. It's actually pretty neat. If you need to edit your timing, you can do that here. Okay, you can see the time of day up here in the top left. Play. Okay, if you need to have it play with the timing. Okay, and then shortcuts. If you need to set any shortcuts, you can as well. All right. So if you want to edit the time, if you want to do something with the timer, you can. Okay, quiet. Boom is Q. Right, so you get access to that stuff. If you want to blur something, again, you get all those shortcuts in here in terms of what you want to do. Okay, and that changes stuff over. Sorry, y'all couldn't see this, but that changes everything over on this page. Okay. All right, so if you have any questions, let me know. And as usual, if you're tired of this tech stuff, make sure you check out the link in the description. Get on our calendar. We'll discuss how we can take all these tech challenges off your hands. Talk to you soon.